Alright guys, good afternoon. 12 o'clock guys. Nagpa-drop na ako dito guys sa sa townhouse guys, sa Pilas. Dahil na ako sa sakyan. Bayad lang si Mr. $3 to taxi. Kaya Mr. B, good afternoon o sa inyo dyan, good evening. This is happen my place after the tropical storm. And the wave is very big. This is it. And the tsunami last 3 days ago guys. Ito ngayon nangyari ngayon sa dagat dito sa Saipan, Mr. Bay, going clean everything. But today very low tide. I know if I go this side, my spot is a lot of catching to also. But this place now, like I don't see it, nobody trying fishing this place. That's why I came early, even I know yesterday's low tide, because the high tide maybe like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but maybe I'm staying like 6 o'clock, standby, nothing to do in the house, and the boring, and this is happen of the tsunami in the Russia and hit in the also in the what also in the what you call sun in Japan, tsunami in Hawaii. But this time after the typhoon, the water is now this time already going down. Napakalakas darling ang nangyari dito, kaya ngayon pahinga muna tayo rito, magmuni-muni kasi nakikita ko sa dagat. Tingnan nyo. Okay guys, I see the long nose, but still low tide. See, look the shore, and me, sit down, my back it again, and my back. See, all the sun will go up. It's okay, but I trying to drink my rod and rail, Mr. B. Shout out dyan, darling. Kay Mami Linda dyan, kay Anita Tumboy. Okay, this is it. Try the fishing the pantalan again, guys. See? I don't know if I catching today, but maybe. Because yesterday and another day, it's a lot of catching, but I sell already, guys. So, alright. Contest na natin guys guys after tayo tuking, uy naku, wala even naluta guys, grabe. Tingnan natin guys paano ito guys, maputi guys. See, very far my line. Uy, salamang ka, walang bato guys, salamang ka. Alright guys, si Mr. Handsome Boy guys, yung asawa Mr. B, yung namatay nung nagbabayad na papuntang store. Itong kaibigan ko, yung asawa, matalik ko din kaibigan. Pero yung pangalawa natin guys, itong pangalawa natin kasi nakawala yung isa, itong binalik kayo, ayun kasi grabing low tide. Ayan na, tama-tama na pampreto yan. Ayan, paupo-upo ka lang, nakatago ka lang sa kahit okay na, laki yan guys. Ayan, nakita niyan. Contest natin guys. Never mind, plenty million the fish in the water. See, let's go to mama. See, that's the malit. Right, that's the one good to fry.
The one like the fried fish, no?
Yeah. See, woohoo. See? Only the eyes.
Like banak.
See, that's banak.
Oh yeah. Yes,
See?
I see that.
Alright guys, papajer again, papalatong again guys. with si Rico, guys. See, nakagwapuhan ni Papa Jerry guys. So, oy, may gwapa pala sa likod. May magandang chicks pala guys sa likod guys. So, kalbo din. Eh sa kabila, nako, diyan pa si Rico. Mas lang gwapong lahat. Mas gwapo ko sa kanila guys. Eh, si Mama. Si Mama.
Wait, si Mama.
Bigay ko muna guys kay si Mama.
Turn it around. Where's si Mama?
Mama guys.
Alright, look.
Chismis na guys. I'm very
Chismis,
handsome.
yeah.
Kasi si Mama in love to me.
Alright guys, look at the sounds ha. Look at the sounds.
Wala nang sound, napagod din si Mama guys.
Oh?
Oo, ayun o.
Uy!
Putang na nasabi tuloy ka chismis mo guys. Ayan na guys, continuous lang. Ingit naman kayo dyan.
Continuous.
Kasi imbis nga, enjoy lang kasi si Mama.
Aray! Mama!
Huwag kang mawala. Kala mo maliit yan Rico sa ano pag lapin sa atin balyena niya Rico. Naku. Aray.
There's si Mama guys.
Oh. Sabi ni Rico maliit to sa dulo pagdating sa harapan puta na mas malaki sa akin eh malaki yata. I love you Mr. Bay. See? Laki guys oh.
Mr. Bay!
Look Mr. Guy, when I'm big. Oh no. Wala na po chan guys. Alright, thank you Ma.
Thank you, Papa Jerry. Thank you, Rico.
Okay lang.
Hihi!
Alright Rick boy.
Oh.
Lifetime.
Saan yung...
Guys, my first catching in the Pagtalan. See, look. I know this place is a lot of big size, guys. That's why this is it. Still strong.
Wait, I want to grab the tropical.
Pero, big size. Uy! Iyapu! 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 Ooh! It's hard, guys. Oh, yeah.
Where's it at?
This is it. I tell you, guys. Continuous natin.
Where?
Oh. Yung side, guys. Continuous natin, ma. I'm moving. In the Pagtalan because the weather is still good. Alright. Guys, number 2 again, guys. But very scary may spot because this, what you call this one? Guys, so lalaki kasi yung ano dito guys. Guys, so yan kita yan. Pangalawa pa lang yan. Cut off agad guys. Guys, number 3 naman guys, so kasi nakakatakot lang dito guys. Ayun ano. Ayun guys, so ulit ito. Oh God. Oop. Yeah. Puntisan natin guys ha. Guys, so number 4 oh. Grabe. Lalakas mo gatak. Saan yun? Yun oh. Ayan guys, oh. Ang bigat. Bigat guys. Continuous lang. Bilisan to eh. Grabe guys. Pang 5 oh. Number 5. Oh, come on. Guys oh. Yeah. Come on. Yan guys. Yeah. Number 5. So, the big size oh. But the mama is coming guys. And the kid continues swimming this side oh. At high tide. Wow, it's not scary. Ayan guys. Okay natin guys oh. I-check ang puti. Continuous na tayo guys. Guys, another one oh. Continuous tayo guys ha. But honest to goodness guys, very hard to catching this place guys because it is oh probably is a big size too. There. Right, contestant tayo guys. Emergency lagi guys eh. So, hirap kung mapikit kasi pag masyadong malaki guys. So, oh. Yeah. See, test natin guys. Test natin guys. See. Hirap ako. Uy. Hirap ako mag-ano nito guys. Oh. Lalaki. Yun. Yan. Test natin guys. Okay. Yung mga mama dito kaganda. No, this is a small one, but this is my catching. Si mama maputi, si look. See, come on mama.
Oh,
Yeah, big size. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Continue catching si mama. But we have busi. Ah, man, what's that? Huh? Like a monster, huh? See, million, man. Okay, so, another one. Higpit-hipitan natin kasi. Ano yun? Yeah. Putis na tayo, guys. Ah. So, you don't believe me. Dai daw yung pantalan, 1,000 guys. See, look at my catching now. Already have a bucket with the maputi. Kaya inggit naman kayo sa akin guys. Bahala guys. Ayun guys, oh, woohoo! Pista naman guys, oh. Woohoo! Yun lang, ha? Oh, nakasmile si Manong, oh. Nakailan na, baka puno na yung bulsa, kablaan yan.
grabe ko.
Oh.
Baba, Diyos ko.
Oh. Oh,
Tunga sa balde. Palahagis niya, palayang ano niya. Kalahati.
Kuntis lang. Alright guys. Good evening guys. 6:30. This is my catching today in pantalan guys. All this one pantalan today. Welcome Omar IC guys. And shout out Poxo. I met today in the pantalan and I tell him the invasion in pantalan guys. This is it. But everybody there stay there, continues catching. But Papa Jerry is my own catching guys. Maybe like 200 pieces this one. May maputi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe like 16 guys. Because somebody buy already $10 guys. In the pantalan. You know. And by the way, this is it. Tomorrow is low tide. Maybe I come back again. In pantalan, I don't know what kind of schedule to may back again is Philippine guys, may kidney, something wrong. But by the way, continuous on tayo guys. May shout out to my darling in Sacramento guys, California. By the way guys, this is it. This is my catching all the day today. Basta I want to make kilo win today guys. Another kilo win, but maybe in the small one, yeah. But I don't like to take the bones because this one is small, right? Okay. This another job to make kilawin again, guys. Maybe like 20 pieces, right? Woohoo! Papa Jerry, the killer of the maputi and the now, guys. Because everybody enjoying catching the tulay in the Papa Beach. Only Papa Jerry now in there in Chalangkalua. My own spot. Okay, by the way guys, it's a lot I have a video or I catching, but every day only one load every day. Yeah, my loading my video about my catching every day. At least you see already my technique. I tell you what this about my technique. Like this one to catching the big size. Even very hot. But hiding and then up and on guys. Okay. Thank you Lord. And God bless you to all you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe. And it's a lot of beautiful mama in the pantalon, guys. Woo-hoo. I love you, mama. And I love you, mama in the sea. I love you, guys. See you soon tomorrow, guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you, guys. Alright, guys. This is it. I tell you guys, after I finish fishing, I make kilawin, right? This make kilawin, guys. Wow. Because the E is only small size. By the way, guys, I catching like 160 pieces. Yeah, 160 or everything. And this is my my food. Talong and ginatan, guys. Gabi with rice and may I eat, guys. Woo! Ha? Shout out Pukso, ha? Yes, sir. Time to eat, guys. Kasi busy, guys. Salat I catching today and yesterday, but this maybe I continues on my taking video that one, guys, loading every day. At least you know all the my activities. Yes, please, guys, please help me about my video, guys. God bless, guys. I'm drinking my whiskey, Pondador, because we are pulutan. Woohoo! Like, andrang little bit, guys. Okay, guys, thank you. Continue sa natin, guys, tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye. Woo! Love you guys. I love you, mama. And I love you, mama in the sea. I love you guys. Woo! Okay, guys, see you soon again, guys.